Hello guys, this is a tutorial on how to change your actuator or put in a new coat of grease in it and repair it a little so it works better. You have both here, here and here. Press on both sides of the connector, pull it up, undo these 3 bolts and just take it off, and that's it. Okay, let's take it off and I'll show you how to clean it and put in a new grease inside and take out the motor. You just have to remove these 2 bolts, torque screws T30, and just undo it with a screwdriver or something. Pull it towards up with a screwdriver, little by little, straight up, so you don't break anything. Now I will show you how to grease it up. Now you can see I have already applied grease and everything. I've cleaned it with brake cleaner inside and stir it up a little. I've put in grease here and on the motor. Now I will put it back, and that's it. This is to prolong the life of your smart actuator.